Hey everyone, if you're selling on Amazon in 2026, you've probably heard about Jungle Scout and Zoof. Both claim to help you find winning products and scale your FBA business, but which one actually delivers? Today, I'm breaking down the real differences between these tools based on pricing, features, accuracy, and who they're actually built for. Stick around because I'll give you my honest verdict at the end. And hey, if this helps you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Amazon seller insights. Overview. Jungle Scout has been the industry standard since 2015. It's an all-in-one platform with product research, keyword tools, supplier database, inventory management, and even AI-powered listing optimization. It supports 10 plus Amazon marketplaces globally and is trusted by over 1 million sellers. Zoof, on the other hand, is the newer player, built by the team behind Amazing Selling Machine. It focuses heavily on product research and analytics, with 20 plus tools including the unique Omni Detective for finding products across platforms like Etsy and eBay. But here's the catch. It only works on Amazon US. Let's dive into what matters. Pricing. Jungle Scout starts at $49 month or $29 month if you pay annually. Zoof is cheaper, starting at $99 month or around $59 month annually. For budget-conscious beginners, Zoof wins on price. Product research. Both tools have solid product databases and opportunity finders. Zoof's interface is cleaner and gives you a spotlight score to quickly identify opportunities. Jungle Scout, however, has a massive database covering multiple marketplaces and years of historical data. Jungle Scout takes this one for depth and global reach. Keyword research. Zoof offers basic keyword tools with search volume and competition data. Jungle Scout, it's on another level. You get reverse ASIN lookup, PPC keyword insights, historical trends, and seasonal patterns. If you're serious about ranking and running ads, Jungle Scout is the clear winner. Data accuracy. This is critical. In independent tests, Jungle Scout's sales estimates align closer to actual Amazon data. Zoof tends to overestimate sales, which can lead to bad product decisions. Accuracy goes to Jungle Scout. Features beyond the basics. Here's where it gets interesting. Jungle Scout has supplier database to find manufacturers, advertising analytics for PPC optimization, AI-powered tools for inventory forecasting and review analysis, and review automation. Zoof has none of these. However, Zoof offers the Omni Detective tool, great if you want to expand beyond Amazon to Shopify, eBay, or other platforms. Marketplace support. Jungle Scout works on 10 plus Amazon marketplaces, including US, UK, Germany, Japan, and more. Zoof, only Amazon US. If you're selling internationally or planning to, this is a deal breaker. Ease of use. Both platforms are beginner-friendly with tutorial videos. Zoof has a slightly simpler dashboard, but Jungle Scout compensates with better customer support, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. So, which is better? Choose Zoof if you're a complete beginner selling only in the US, you're on a tight budget, and you want a simple tool to get started with product research. The Omni Detective feature is a nice bonus if you're thinking multi-platform. Choose Jungle Scout if you want accurate data, advanced features like supplier sourcing and PPC analytics, AI-powered tools, global marketplace support, or you're serious about scaling your Amazon business long-term. It costs a bit more, but the ROI is significantly higher. Bottom line, Jungle Scout is the complete solution for serious sellers. Zoof is a solid budget option for US-only beginners, but it lacks the depth, accuracy, and advanced tools you'll need as you grow. That's it for today's comparison. Which tool are you using or planning to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, I've got discount links for both tools in the description below. If this video helped you make a decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips. See you in the next one.